TCI Manufacturing is revolutionizing the way material is carried from the primary crusher to the plant. And we're doing this with articulating conveyors. I'm Kellen Moylan, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for TCI Manufacturing. There's little doubt in our industry that the cleanest, safest, and most cost-effective way to move material is with conveyors. The key is how to make them more flexible. So what we have done is come up with a heavy-duty conveyor system that affixes to a mobile primary crusher and then interlocks with subsequent conveyors with our heavy-duty pivot assembly located between each conveyor. The TCI Custom Mobile Crushing Plant is designed with enough power to move all of the conveyors when it moves. As our customers continue to chase the shot rock piles, they can simply move the crusher remotely, and the conveyors come right along with it. The primary plant and conveyors have the ability to swing in any direction, allowing for minimal handling and maximum uptime. TCI Articulating Conveyors give you the best of both worlds. The flexibility you would get from a haul truck, along with the consistent production and operational savings of a conveyor. It's a producer's dream come true.